presenting the 2011 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include 2 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, air conditioning, automatic transmission, clock, in-radio display, daytime running lights, dusk sensing headlights, engine hour meter, front seat type, split bench and head airbags, curtain first row. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.